Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing and obviously the first look of the new Siege of Terra, the Horus Heresy Siege of Terra line books. This is the book number 6, which is called Warhawk by Chris Wright. So this book is the newest iteration in the series, in which probably for those of you who know, Horus Heresy is a pivotal moment in the time when the Imperium of Men battled with each other. So the legions were conforming on the seat of the Imperium, so on the Imperium Palace on Terra. And the book 6, called Warhawk, will be heavily include the Primarch of the White Scars, so Jaghatai Khan, and he will battle with Mortarion. So like all previous books and novellas, this is extremely well packaged. So they designed this elaborate cardboard. All books are wrapped, so let me carefully open it. Okay, so let's see the book itself. So here is the glorious book, nicely bounded with this faux leather cover. This is the end. All that could have been done has been done. Every delay, every counter-strike, every anticipation, now they get in. So this beautiful limited edition feature, like all previous one, has the faux leather binding. It's a really nice and thick book. Has this metal golded color emblem, gilded pages. And let's open it up. So there is Jaghatai Khan with his sons, and here is Mortarion. Limited to 2,500 pieces like previous ones. And we have Chris Wright's signature. Then again the cover art, which will be featured on the regular production. So let me also read you the quick annotation about the book. So the inner walls are breached. Traitors swarm towards the Imperial Palace in uncountable numbers. Time remains for one last brazen gambit, one audacious attack to buy the Emperor's forces precious time. And who better to lead it in that Jaghatai Khan, Primarch of the White Scars? The Lionsgate spaceport must be liberated, and in the art of lighting assault, the Warhawk of Chogoris is unequaled. So yeah, the great Khan prefers his attacks to be fast paced attacks. So here's once again all the previous books. There is 54 books in the series, some novellas, and also there are audio dramas and book 6, and then we have 2 novellas in the Siege of Terra series. Here are the audio dramas if you are interested. And we get a sneak peek of yet another map that will be probably released in a couple of months. If you did not see, I have all the previous maps. There are videos dedicated to them here on my channel, so you can go and check it out. So there's the Imperial Palace. There's a spaceport right there. And there we have our characters that will be in this novella. And then we start with part 1. There should be a few more somewhere inside here. Maybe not. Sometimes they do have some illustrations. Yeah, there it was. So just be prepared to be spoiled. Some of these pictures are spoilers. And there is the Jaghatai Khan with what looked like a rendering with one of his horses. It's probably Lehman Russ. And that's everything. So we have 484, 85, 86 pages. So another beautiful piece in the series. For me personally, I still have to catch up on a few books before I start the series. So yeah, I am looking really forward to be enjoying this final series of the Horus Heresy, and we will then see what will be next. Okay, with that being said, I would like to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. This was the Horus Heresy Siege of Terra book 6 limited edition from Black Library or Games Workshop, however you like to view it. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. And with that being said, I would like to wish you a wonderful day. I hope to see you soon. The Emperor protects.